The Northern Kimberley region of Western Australia is without a doubt one of the greatest places on the planet. I tried to think of some words to describe it for this video, but it all sounded a bit dumb, except for one word which seemed to fit really well. Sweet. Myself and my mate Cam were lucky enough to head up here to do what we do best: build dunnies. The Darnbee-Mungari Aboriginal Corporation is an organisation driven by a board of traditional owners committed to preserving this amazing piece of country and the language and culture that exist here. We went out with a group of Darnbee-Mungari Rangers to build a basic toilet and shower facility at an amazing site out on the Kimberley coastline. This site is about as remote as you can possibly get, and the logistics of making it all happen was part of the fun. We supplied a flat pack composting toilet and shower ablution which went from the Waterwally headquarters by road to Derby, from Derby up the coast by barge, and was then slung from the barge to the site via helicopter. Then we all jumped on a boat and went out to site to build it. Working alongside with the Darnbee-Mungari Rangers, we assembled the ablution facilities in around a week.
This particular area we call a Undulu. We the Darnbee-Mungari people, so it's like when you say Darnbee-Mungari is home, you know. Yeah, but this would be one of the places along the coastline where, you know, as you can see, the water runs all the time. So we come maybe on a camping, come and camp. Would you say our native title stretches from Colin Bay right up to the Queen's Region, and that's, I don't know how much square kilometers it is, but it's a long way. More about managing the place, no?
Yeah.
Management, you know, with the rangers, it's good to manage and get a chance to build country too, because some of the guys that work with the rangers now haven't seen their country.
The installation of these facilities was an initiative of the Darnbee-Mungari Aboriginal Corporation to help encourage the traditional owners of this area back out on country. It's an amazing place, and the Darnbee-Mungari crew are doing some amazing things to care for their land and preserve their culture. I feel privileged to have visited the place, and I wish the crew at Darnbee all the best. Hey!